Bitcoin broke out of this rising channel, guys, had a nice push to the upside, and now is the big question, of course, was this the move? Is Bitcoin going to come down right here, or are we going to still see Bitcoin going to higher levels? Guys, in today's video, I will show you the exact level above us, which is going to be the next resistance, and I'm going to show you exactly which signs we are seeing right now in Bitcoin, which might tell us if Bitcoin topped or whether Bitcoin is going to see a pullback or whatever is going to happen. So let's dive straight into it. Of course, guys, make sure to smash the thumbs up. Very much appreciated. And yeah, what we basically can do is we can have a look at the Bitcoin futures chart right here. And we can see that the Bitcoin futures chart closed at 21,235. We can celebrate the weekend and we can just leave it, because most likely on Monday we will be trading at these exact levels. We are often seeing that almost every time we are seeing that the place we close on Friday, we open on Sunday evening or Monday morning, depending a little bit where you are. So this is just important to note. Do take in mind that we do get a potential bearish divergence right here on the futures chart. We already have that on the Bitcoin chart. If we have a look right here, we already had a 4-hour close. But yeah, so this is something that shows us that the bullish momentum might running a little bit out of steam right here, that we can maybe come a little bit down. And of course, important level to watch is this level, the 21k level. If we can hold 21k, then I think we can remain in this uptrend, and that would be very bullish, of course. And the next major resistance above us is going to be 21.8k. Let me show you why. We got right here 21.8k. That level has been very important in the past, and for Bitcoin to see another push to the upside, 21.8k is going to be significant, and we most likely will get some resistance from that level. There's also a lot of selling going on at $21,000, or let's say above $21,000, and I think it is also possible that we can retrace this move, this pump that we have seen in Bitcoin. However, we have to watch how Bitcoin is going to react at the 21k level. If we can hold this level or lose this level again. If we lose it, then yeah, we might have seen a top in Bitcoin and we can see a further correction down the line. Guys, a very interesting thing that I want to share with you is that yesterday, I shared this one over on Twitter. We got a massive reading in the premium chart, and that reading was exactly at this top. So we got this reading at the top. That was the moment that you basically know that you can take profits, or that you maybe even open a short. I did open a short, and I took it a couple of $100 down the line, just based on the premium chart, because we got a massive signal right here. That was a direct signal of a reversal, and Bitcoin dropped from 21.3k. It dropped to 20.7. So that is quite significant. That is more than a $500 drop in 1 hour. And it even could be an early signal of a reversal, right? Because often when a reversal takes place, we first see a signal over on the premium chart. And it can be, of course, a short-term reversal, but it can also be a sign of a bigger reversal. If we look at the 1 hour time frame, we can see that we also have a bearish divergence right here. Higher high in the price, lower high in the relative strength index. Shows us that most likely in the coming days, Bitcoin will see a retracement right here. Still think after the weekend we will open around the levels from the Bitcoin CME futures, so that is just important to note. And yeah, as long as Bitcoin is trading below 21.5k, we most likely get that correction. Then it's important to watch Bitcoin at 21k. If we lose 21k, then most likely we're going to see lower levels. The next level to watch is 20.6k, the middle of the channel. If we can break above 21.5, then 21.8 is going to be the next resistance. Let's have a quick look at what's happening with the S&P 500. Mini futures are looking quite okay. We're just back above this former resistance. What is the Dixie telling us? Dixie is showing, and this is what I've shared yesterday also over on Twitter. This is actually quite bearish for Bitcoin short term. Guys, Dixie is now testing 61.80% golden ratio with a lower low in the price, higher low in the relative strength index. So that is a bullish divergence at key support level, which would really make sense to see a bounce right here. That's also how we predicted this drop, right? This was to the 61.80%. A lot of people were saying, no, we're just going to 115. But of course, we don't go there in one line. We go there with certain steps, right? So we predicted this pullback, which is good for Bitcoin. We predicted that because of that, the Bitcoin breakout. Right now, it looks like this chart wants to bounce short term, which would be slightly bearish for Bitcoin. So guys, these signals that you get over on Will Portal, we also try to share them in a short notice over on Twitter. So make sure to follow Will Portal on Twitter. And right now we are also building that premium feature where you can get notifications over on your phone whenever something important happens, whenever a lot of charts hitting important levels, whenever we are seeing signals in different data charts. You will only be able in the beginning to enter that channel if you are trading on the one of our exchanges, Bybit, VMix, PrimeXBT or BitGet, all with the affiliate link down below. But okay guys, that was it for today's short video. Hope you enjoyed it. If so, smash up that like button. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, much appreciated. Also make sure to follow Will Portal. The links are down in the description. I want to wish all of you an awesome Saturday, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.